The Learning Resources Center uses its own custom call number system for its reserve collection. Not only does it tell us where the item can be found on the shelf, it also lets us know at a glance which class it's for and who owns it. It groups items for the same course together, as well as grouping together all course materials and supplemental items for each subject. Before we learn how to decipher these call numbers, let's first look at how we determine whether or not an item belongs in the LRC Reserve Collection just by glancing at it. Since many reserve items are owned by individual professors and departments, they will not always have an LRC property stamp. Fortunately, the use of our custom call number makes our items easy to recognize. The call number will be typed out in a single line that runs down the spine of the book. It has a unique structure that we will look at in detail in a moment. And it has a round neon sticker stating the checkout period.
The first portion of the call number is a single letter that tells you where within the reserve collection an item belongs. Reserves are divided into 5 subsections, each with a single letter to represent them: books, videos, electronics, unusual items, and photocopies. These divisions have more to do with the convenience of shelving rather than the item type. It's true that most items in the books section are books. However, if a book has a DVD supplement, the DVD may have a B call number. Always shelve where the call number says it goes. The second portion of the call number lets us know which course these items are designated for. In this example, this book is for English 111, Introduction to Composition. When items are for any class within a subject, we use the numbers 999. This Spanish-English dictionary is useful for students in any Spanish class. You will also see a few sections that aren't academic departments, like BKSE for Books of the Year or REF for reference items. The second to last group of digits is the owner code. You can look this 3-digit number up in the owner code binder to see which instructor or department owns the item, or you can go to the reserve files to see the full history of that owner's reserve items. For example, 059 is the Learning Resources Center and 667 is the Social Work Department. The last group of numbers is simply an item number. Since every call number needs to be different, this just tells us what order to put the items in when there are several with the same subsection code, course codes, and owner code. And that's it! Now you know how to decipher LRC Reserve call numbers.